Welcome to Flowlu tutorial on how to create tasks. In this video, we'll show you the ways to create a new task in Flowlu. No matter which module you're in, you can quickly create a new task by hitting the plus button. You can also create a task by clicking the plus button located in the Tasks application. Tasks can be created in several specific locations, within each project, from a CRM account or opportunity, in a group. You can quickly create several tasks directly from the Kanban board or a to-do list. Simply indicate the task's name and assignee, then press Enter. You can always add details later. Now, let's see how to create a task using the full form. Before we begin, go to Portal Settings and add any custom fields you might need for your tasks. You can create new tasks from templates, but today we'll start from scratch. Enter the name of the task, assign a priority level, add a detailed description, use lists and different formatting to clearly present the assignment, add a checklist, and attach files from your computer or Google Drive. Add one or multiple assignees. Note, separate tasks will be created for each. Flowlu will automatically set you as the task owner. You can also add collaborators for those who will participate in the task and followers who need updates on task progress. Set an exact start date and deadline for the task. Choose a workflow for your task. Workflows define the stages your task will follow. When you create a project, you choose a workflow that is fixed, meaning it cannot be changed for individual tasks. All tasks within a project must adhere to the same workflow. Break complex tasks into smaller, manageable units by creating subtasks. Each subtask can have its own owner, assignee, collaborators, and followers. You can also link existing tasks as subtasks. Assign your task to a specific task list available only to you. Define the estimated time to complete the task. You can later track how much time was spent. Add tags to easily find tasks later. Link your task to a project, group, opportunity, or CRM contact. Set reminders or make the task recurring if you need to create the same task on a regular basis. Check out automation rules to set reminders based on certain conditions. Define any custom fields if needed. Once you've filled in all the details, press Save. Now, let's take a look at the task page. Collaborate with your team through comments, mention colleagues or request their responses. Edit all information directly from the task page or through edit mode. You can also print, copy, archive or delete your task here. Copy the task link or delegate it to teammates easily. When you start working on a task, change its status and activate a time tracker to record the time spent. In the projects, you can define how much the customer will pay for the task and how much the employee will receive. After creating a new task, notifications will be sent to all stakeholders. You can create roles to categorize employees by occupation or department and bulk assign access rights. To create a role, go to My Team, User Roles and click Add User Role. Write a name, description, set up access rights and select users that fit this role. You can also manage access rights for the Tasks app within its main settings. Simply click the drop-down menu under the role and pick Level of Access. Employees see only tasks they are part of and cannot edit them. Administrators can view and edit all tasks created in their account. Access denied means an employee will not be able to see any tasks, nor create new ones. If you want to learn more about roles and permissions, check out the article in the comment below. Don't forget, you can view and manage all tasks from a dashboard. You can add widgets for your tasks, tasks pending approval, tasks in agile projects, and custom task lists. The latter enables you to set up filters to show tasks assigned to a specific employee, those with a certain start and end date, marked with a tag, and so on. That's it for this tutorial on creating tasks in Flowlu. Thank you for watching.